Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Repidina Cahaya Rizkina, NPM 211040084. Today, I will presentation about my draft proposal. The title is The Influence of Using Storyboard on Students' Reading Comprehension at 8th Grade Junior High School. Background of research. In learning English, reading are usually found by students in books, school tests, national examination, magazine, newspaper, and so on. Reading is really necessary for students because the aim of reading is comprehension the text. In reading, the teacher should engage in activity of reading which is done by students. Based on the research observation, the research got some difficulties in learning reading text. First, the students have difficulties to understand the text properly. Based on the theory above, it can be concluded that storyboard technique. So the student understanding about the text and engages the student to focus on their reading text because it's not easy to make sketch without really understands the chronological the story. Research question. Is there any significant difference in reading comprehension before and after the 8th grade student of junior high school are taught by storyboard as the implementation of the project-based learning method? Is there any significant difference in reading comprehension of the 8th grade student of junior high school between experimental work are taught PBL and the control group work are not? And how are the student perspective of PBL in learning? Purpose of the research. Based on the research question above, the object of the study is to find out there is a significant difference in students' reading comprehension before and after. The 8th grade students of junior high school are taught by storyboard as the implementation of the project-based learning. There is a significant difference in students' reading comprehension of the 8th grade student of junior high school between experimental work are taught PBL and the control group work are not. To know student perspective of the 8th grade students of junior high school on the use of PBL in the learning process by filling out the questionnaire. Method and design. The research used quantitative with quasi-experimental as a design. Quasi-experimental is the participants are randomly taken two different conditions of the experimental variable. In addition, the participants in the experimental group receive the treatment, but in the control group do not receive the treatment after getting the sample. The research gave a pre-test in experimental and control group before the treatment, and then the research gave a post-test in the last. He added that after given the treatment, the research should give an average or mean scores on a post-test. This design is to get score of pre-test and post-test. Alternatively, the research compared the pre-test scores in control and experimental groups and then compare the post-test in experimental and control group scores to check whether there are different or not pre-test and post-test in both of class. Previous research. 1. The effect of storyboard technique on reading narrative text ability of second year student of SMAN 9 Pekanbaru. 2. Improving student writing skills by using storyboards that at junior high school. 3. Storyboards and reading conversion of literary fiction in English. 4. The use of storyboard project-based learning implementation in teaching speaking to the 10th grade students of SMA plus Negeri 2 Banyuasin. And 5. The effect of storyboard technique on students' reading comprehension in narrative text at the 10th grade of SMAN 2 KS Cilegon. In conclusion, this research to provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of using storyboards as a tool for enhancing reading comprehension among 8th grade junior high school students. The results of this research can inform educators about alternative teaching methods that can improve student learning outcome. Okay, I think that's all my presentation about my draft proposal. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.